Hey guys, Chelsea from Attention to Details. I know that I have done a video in the past on how to do a touchless tire and wheel cleaning. That is not what this video is about today. For those of you that maybe you enjoy a thoroughly clean tire and wheel, you enjoy taking the time to thoroughly remove all the browning. Maybe you haven't cleaned your wheels and tires in a long time and you're wanting to do a proper deep cleaning on your tires and wheels. These are two of my favorite products to use for tires and wheels, and I want to share them with you today. So let's get into it. Alright, so I've actually on this side, I've already gone and done a high pressure rinse using my turbo nozzle, and I've actually already gone ahead and sprayed the wheel cleaner. You can see up close, this is a color changing formula that we are using. Now this is not necessarily a paint safe color changing formula, but you can see that we have let this sit on there for about 2 minutes. We're out of direct sunlight and it is already going to town. So we're going to go ahead and clean these wheels and get those rinsed off. So we've got our Easy Shine. We're going to go ahead and easily get behind all of our spokes in between. You can just see the amount of brake dust that has been loosened. Now this is not an acid-based cleaner, so this is safe for all wheels. And sometimes you can just only get so far, so do what you can. Go ahead and get our wheel brush. This is the Nanoskin wheel brush. Now you can use something like this, or if you're more detail oriented, you can use a detail brush. What I like about this is it gives great foam, so you know that you are going to help prevent scratching. Now I don't think it is possible to clean wheels if you're doing a contact wash without inducing any sort of light scratching, but you want to try to have some sort of a cleaner that has a foaming agent to it that will add lubrication to help prevent scratches, because that brake dust obviously is an abrasive and it's going to scratch. And that's why sometimes a lot of people will do a touchless cleaning, because they think, oh, I'm not going to induce scratches to the paint, but then you're not necessarily doing a thorough clean. So we're going to go ahead and rinse that off. We're going to do our other wheels. I always like to do the wheels first and then the tires, so that way I can allow the wheel cleaner to kind of sit for a few minutes, but I don't have my tire cleaner being, caked on there. So we're going to go ahead and do our remaining 3 wheels, and then I'll bring you back for the tire cleaner. Alright, so we actually have already done a high pressure rinse on these tires, and you can see there's still a lot of dirt and mud caked on them. We're going to go ahead and give those a light rinse, and we're going to go ahead and spray our tire cleaner. You can see it is already starting to just melt that browning down. We're going to let that sit for a minute and just do its thing. You can see down here, browning is just melting off. I have not even agitated it. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and agitate that now. With this tire cleaner, the way that you know, and with most tire cleaners this is going to be the case, but the way that you know if your tire's clean is if you have white foam. So we're going to go ahead, because of how dirty these are, I guarantee you we're still going to have kind of like a cream foam. That means we're not quite there. We've definitely made an improvement. You can see our foam. You don't want to clean too aggressively because you're going to have more browning down the road. So this product, I find, has that perfect balance. It's specifically made for tires and rubber, and it will not dry it out. It, properly cleans it. So we're going to go ahead, let this air dry, and then I want to show you what it looks like after it's dried in, kind of that natural clean state, and then from there I'll share with you what the products are. Okay, so here is our finished look for our tires and wheels. Let's put you in closer here. Now you can tell that the customer frequents a automatic car wash, and that the inner spokes of the wheels normally don't get cleaned very well. So for me doing a very quick scrub with the detail brush, they turned out fantastic. We had the proper lubrication because we had the foaming aspect to the cleaner. And for the tires, that they are cleaned, but they are not necessarily going to be too aggressively cleaned and cause them to brown faster. And you've probably guessed what the product is. I have talked about it several times. McKee's 37 Tire and Rubber Rejuvenator. And then we have their foaming wheel cleaner. I buy these by the gallon. They are fantastic. If you get especially one of their buy one get one deals, they are very economical. But if you are looking for a premium, high quality, maximum result tire and wheel cleaner, if your car is your baby and you just want to make sure you have the best products for your vehicle, you're going to want to get these products. I am not endorsed by them. I'm not sponsored by them. They don't give me anything to do these reviews. These are the products that I use on my own personal vehicle, so I want to share them with you so that you can maintain your vehicle and keep it looking beautiful. Make sure your tires don't dry out. Make sure your wheels don't have rust bonding to them because you're properly removing the brake dust and dirt and grime, but you're not damaging the clear coat, you're not damaging the finish look, and they're just going to look fantastic. So we're going to top this with our tire dressing. And you can use a variety of tire dressings, really whatever works in your world. You can use Armor All, you can use McKee's 37 SiO2 tire dressing, you can use, whatever. But I just want to share with you guys how to properly clean and prep your tire. I'm going to go ahead and put my dressing on, and I will use McKee's 37 SiO2 tire dressing because it is a fantastic, nice, rich black look. In fact, I have it on my own personal vehicle over here. I haven't cleaned my wheels actually in a couple of days, and you can just see it's a nice flat matte black. I just did one layer. If you were to do 2 coatings, it would give you a nice high gloss. So hope you guys enjoyed that quick review on these products and how I would clean and dress tires and wheels. So you guys have a great day. We'll catch you in the next video. Be sure to subscribe to stay tuned for any future videos that come out, and we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks guys.